All right, so I just want to show you what I got going on here. Timing belt's on. Water pump, obviously. We are all timed up. See the trigger plate, rear balancer, and front balancer, new pulleys, tensioner. And I'm gonna show you something. This is why you always do your timing belt when you get a used car. This is the balancer belt. Oh look, there's a cat. So I mean, this was this could have gone at any moment, and more than likely taking out the whole motor. The other belts look pretty good. Not that they really matter. Power steering belt was a little rough. All the pulleys and everything that came off actually looked really good. They all felt good. They're not gritty or anything. And of course, the water pump spun freely, no gritty feeling. So we're just gonna start putting everything back together. Cleaning as I'm going. You see, I did some cleaning up in here. Just make everything nice. Clean up timing cover a little bit. I'm not trying to go crazy with, you know, how pristine the car is like I did with the other car. It doesn't, you know, I'm not trying to pop the hood out, all these events and all that, but I want it to be clean for when I work on it and just, you know, pride. So that's what I got going on.